Good morning, everybody, and thank you for riding with Mo Mountain Mutts. We've arrived to our destination. We picked them up from their homes. We're waiting for the bus.
Good morning, Amaru. Good morning, Jake.
Good morning, Bama. We get them on the bus. They know their seats. Once we get our whole crew, we go out to the destination that we chose for that day.
Dogs ready? Let's go. Time to go to the lookout. Come on, guys.
We'll go for our walk. We load back on the bus.
Come on, load up.
Welcome back to the bus, everybody. How was your hike to the park? And we drop them back off at home. It's kind of like a door-to-door dog walking service. It's real. This is our full-time family business. It's what pays our bills and keeps the roof over our head and keeps us fed. Yes, it's real. We're a husband and wife team now. We're going on 2 years of doing that.
Practicing a trail command is pull off the trail and do a little group up. When I do that, I point to it and I say, here, good dogs. Very good. Break.
She had been posting on media for this whole time. It was her way of kind of letting the clients know where she went with the dogs, who are they walking with. And she had like a little bit of people kind of following her page here and there, but then we got the bus and it just exploded. We got some dogs that want to like kind of lick and mingle and kind of half play on the bus, while some like their space. With the bus, we can put dogs that really want their space during transport in one area, dogs that don't mind so much in another area. You know, and then once we get out there on the walk, it's a little different. You know, they got wide open space to move, and we call it organized chaos.
Everybody check on their trail, buddy. All right, let's go.